Hey everyone, my name is Tankakul and this is the presentation video for the alternative assessment of the course data visualization with the code SCCD 4233, and I'm from section 1. My lecture is total 400. Right, so to show the Power BI dashboard. So this will be the dashboard that I created using the dataset, which is the bicycle dataset. So there will be 5 top key that are used in the graph creation, which is the list price by the product size, list price by the gender, profit margin by the brand, profit by the state, and also sales vs the profit. So there will also be 10 domains that I will be used, which is the list price, product size, gender, profit margin, brand, profit, state, revenue, cost, and also the transaction date, which is the month that will be used in the sales vs profit graph. So first we'll see the list price by the product size. You can see that the medium size product size will have the biggest proportion of this pie chart, and the lowest will be the small product size. List price by product size use the list price and also the product size as the domain to create the pie chart. And second will be the list price by the gender, which use the gender and also the list price as the domain. And we can see that female have a larger value than the male price. And there are also undeclared column here for the gender because of there are some people who didn't mention about his or her gender. So next will be the profit margin by the brand, which use the profit margin and also the brand as the domain. The brand reader A to B will have the highest profit margin with the value of 66.19, and Norco Bicycle will have the lowest profit margin, which is 32.51% of the profit margin. All right, so the fourth graph will be the profit by the state, which use the profit and also state as the domain. So we can see that the state with the highest profit will be the New South Wales, second will be Victoria, and last will be the Queensland. So the last graph will be area chart, which is the sales vs the profit, which use the revenue and also transaction date as the domain. So we can see that at August, the revenue and also the cost is have the highest value. Before drawing the graph, I also abstract some of the data of the data set. So first will be the cost, which use the formula for some of the standard cost. Second will be the revenue. And this is the formula, which is the sum of the list price. Third will be the profit, which is the revenue minus the cost. And last will be the profit margin with this formula. So next will be the data model structure of the data set. All right, so the data set I use is named sheet 1, and this is the data model structure for the whole data set. Will be the question tree, and the table and charts show a map-based geo-information visualization and a bar chart. These two will be the visualization techniques that will be used to compare in this short report. Alright, so in short, map-based geo-information visualization is most suitable to use when dealing with the data with state, country, or other relevant data which can be drawn on the map. The map is also able to show clear differences in the region represented by each category of data, such as the state and the country. Meanwhile, a bar chart is more suitable to use for a broader range of data types, not just for breaking a whole into components. Map-based geo-information visualization will not be able to show the details of each data for each category of the data, since it can only show the area accompanied by the category data, while a bar chart can represent the data in more detail, since show the number for the category data. Besides, a bar chart is good for detecting small differences in the bar head. Even for if they are placed out of the order, it is also easier to manage space for more bars when there are a lot of categories, especially if they are plotted horizontally. So overall, a bar chart is a much more information dense visualization compared with a base information visualization. So the bar chart will be more suitable to use and should be the default choice when building the graph. It is able to show a clear trend of the data. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you.